Hey guys, welcome back to my video. And in this tutorial I'll be talking about 3 easy chords you guys can learn, and these chords are really going to help you guys improve in your guitar playing, especially if you guys are beginners. You guys will definitely love these chords. So get your guitars tuned and let's get right into the tutorial. Alright, so let's take a look at our first chord for today. So our first chord for today is A minor. Here is how it looks like and how it should sound like. So in order to play this chord, what you're going to be doing is you're going to take your index finger, put it on the first fret of the second string, take your middle finger, put it on the second fret of the fourth string, take your ring finger and put it on the second fret of the third string. And make sure you're not putting your fingers on top of any other string, because this will make a mute on the other strings and you don't want that. Make sure to play it only on the first 5 strings here. Make sure not to play this string. And I will be talking about why you shouldn't play certain strings and certain chords in a future video. So make sure to have a look out for that. So here's how it should sound like. So once again, that is index finger on the first fret of the second string, middle finger on the second fret of the fourth string, and your ring finger on the second fret of the third string. Once again, here's how it should sound like. So our next chord will be G over B. So basically G over B is the same as G, but with a different bass note. I'll be teaching you guys what those are in a future video, so you can go ahead and take a look out for that. So this is how G over B looks like and will sound like. To play this chord, what you're going to be doing is take your index finger, put it on the second fret of the 5th string, and this is basically for preference. You can either use your ring finger or your pinky finger, but personally I like using my pinky finger for this. But you put your finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. Alright, so here is how it should sound like. Oh, side note, do not play the 6th string again, and make sure to mute that string, because that's really important to mute that string. So you're only going to be playing the first 5 strings. So here's how it should sound like. Once again, that is index finger on the second fret of the 5th string, and your preferred finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. Lastly, here's how it sounds like. So this is where the real challenge begins. I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to play your first bar chord. And your first bar chord will be B minor. I'm gonna be showing you guys how it looks like and how it should sound like before I actually teach you guys how to play this chord. Here it is. Alright, so in order to play this chord, what you're going to be doing is you're gonna bar the second fret. So barring is basically you're gonna take a finger and put your finger on top of that whole fret. You're going to be pressing on the strings of that fret. So in this particular chord, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be barring the whole of the second fret except the last string, which is the sixth string, which is the thickest. Alright, so you're only going to be barring the first 5 strings. So you're going to take your index finger and press the first 5 strings of the second fret. And now take your middle finger, put it on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, take your ring finger, put it on the 4th fret of the 4th string, take your pinky finger and put it on the 4th fret of the 3rd string. So it may be a little bit tricky at first, but if you guys practice enough, you will be doing this in no time. So at first you might hear a little bit of muting like this, like that, but just practice more and you guys will get it soon. So here's how it should sound like. So once again, you're going to be barring the first 5 strings of the 2nd fret with your index finger, your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, your ring finger on the 4th fret of the 4th string, and your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the 3rd string. Lastly, here's how it should sound like. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you guys would like to see more, please leave this video a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you guys will be notified for any future videos that I'll be doing. In the next tutorial, I will be talking about strumming patterns that would help you guys improve your strumming and your chord changing. And if you guys would like any resources such as lyrics and chords for your band, for your praise and worship band, you can go ahead and go to my website soundmeta.com. I'll leave a link in the description so you guys will easily visit my site. And that's it for today, and thank you guys so much once again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.